To operate your RustOff Pulse portable laser system, follow along. Click on Cleaning. The username is admin and the password is 1. Then press Enter. Press Power to access your power settings. Here you can change your power, frequency and pulse width settings. Once done, go back and go to Swing. And here you can select the pattern and its size. Then go back and click on Sway. Now enable the laser. You will get a caution notice. Click on the screen and you are ready to go. If you want to make changes, switch off the laser and switch off the sway. Go back into Swing and make your changes. Once you are ready, click on Sway and then click on Laser again. Under Files, you can save preset settings for different materials. To enter settings, use 16 for the password. Here you can do calibration if need be. You can modify the function settings to suit your needs. You can check the temperature. You can create passwords for users you want to allow to use the machine. Under Others, you can select the language and the alarm characteristics. And you can also reset all to factory default from here as well. In Version, you can get all the data pertaining to your particular machine. In PowerAmp, you can get data on your power usage. And here you can modify any of the machine's dynamic parameters. Now, when using the pulse laser, you want to move the laser closer and closer to the substrate until you clearly see and hear the laser focusing on the substrate. Too far or too close will cause it to be out of focus. Once you find the sweet spot, you can enjoy your pulse laser.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC rotors, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montenegro Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.